Welcome to part 5 of my Building the Rocking Horse series. Final step of putting the horse together is assembling the head, beginning with the eye. With a steady hand, I routed the edges, painted it black. It'll get glued into place after the stain is put down. Then a quick coat of pre-stain before I apply the actual chestnut colored stain. Next I glue the eye into place now that I won't get stain on that black color. Next I glue the handle into place, then drilling and gluing the birch balls. Originally I was not going to stain it, and then after the fact I changed my mind. The head is now finished and will be set aside for attachment later on. It was much easier to pre-stain and stain the rocker before attaching the horse. And of course, for that same reason, it was much easier to pre-stain and stain the horse's body before attaching that to the rocker or the head. The head is then securely glued and screwed, and for safety, a 1/8 inch dowel is drilled, glued, and sanded into the handle to prevent it from spinning. Now that the individual pieces are stained, I can now glue and screw the horse to the rocker. Now for the tedious work of 4 coats of polyurethane. In between each coat, I sanded with very fine sanding sponge and super fine steel wool. This provides a protective, thick coating that generations of grandchildren will be able to enjoy.